If you're looking for an easy, delicious, tender, flavorful turkey wing recipe, you're on the right page. Stay tuned. I'm going to go into every step on how you can make this happen in your kitchen. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your turkey wings are washed. I used vinegar and lime, and I made sure to scrub them. I also used a knife to make sure there were no feathers on the skin or any yellowing that I wanted to scrape off. Then you go on with your olive oil to rub it into the skin. This is so the seasoning sticks to your wings. You can also use vegetable oil or avocado oil. It's truly up to you, and what you have in your kitchen is what you should use. I set aside some seasoning blend that I prefer to use when I make smoked turkey wings. It consists of smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, pink Himalayan salt, chicken bouillon, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and a roasted garlic and herb seasoning, which is McCormick Grill Mate brand. I will list it on the screen above, and also make sure you rub it in thoroughly on each side. You want to add the seasoning. So you do one side, you flip them over, and then you're going to go in again, and you're going to add the rest of the seasoning, and then you're going to rub them into the skin of the turkey wings. In a separate bowl, I set aside butter, smoked paprika, and Tony seasoning. I injected it directly into the turkey wings. This is to make sure that they stay juicy and tender as they bake. In your baking dish, you want to go ahead and add your white onions, peppers, and garlic. I used Anaheim peppers and jalapenos, and I made sure I took the majority of the seeds out of the jalapenos. These are what I had on hand, so this is what I used. You can use bell peppers as well, any peppers of your choice, but like I said, this is what I had in my kitchen, so I wanted to use what was already on hand. Now I went in with some chicken stock and flour just to make my gravy and base it in the bottom of my baking dish. Add your turkey wings on top of your onion and pepper and garlic mix in your baking dish. And when you're done, you're going to add in your chicken stock, which is going to create a gravy, so make sure you add a generous amount. I went in and added some more Italian seasoning and the roasted garlic and herb seasoning, and then I let them sit in the refrigerator with covered for 2 hours. Afterwards, you're going to bake them at 375 for 2 hours and then broil them on each side for 3 minutes. And this is the final result. Delicious, tender, juicy, flavorful turkey wings. When I tell you the video does it no justice, you have to make the recipe and comment below exactly how you liked it.